He went into the settings somehow. The Hero 3 doesn't do the one touch.
It's junk.
Let's see. You're on. Well, things are a bit whacked. Camera. There's record. We got 4 clips. Everything seems like it's good. She's recording. She's good.
I'm getting on eyesight this time.
You're in picture mode, brother. Somehow you're holding her too long and you're in picture mode. That's what it is.
I might try her.
All right, I'll turn around and hit this shit with authority, as my good buddy Nas Boss likes to say.
Hey, Phil! I was gonna say maybe rip about 400 pounds of SKEG out of the rear end. She's full, eh?
Testing out the power steering unit.
Fuck, you think it's a high spot, but then you sink down 2 feet, Tommy. Yeah. I said after you made it through, I said at least he didn't fall off.
There are some spots in here.
Fuck, you with some stank too. Yeah, your tires are getting bald, eh? Yeah. Well, we were talking about that, and then I thought, oh, you might be able to keep the wheel speed up to get across.
What?
But you can tell.
We're good?
Yeah!
Away we go then, boys. Wish me luck.
Uh-oh.
Well, not exactly how we thought it was going to go.
Think you should have took a little faster run at her, bud.
She almost pulled out.
You didn't put a good run into it. Oh yeah, she popped out. She popped out.
Good man. She's pretty chewed up, my brother. She's pretty chewed up.
You couldn't get much speed going after you fucking finally trenched her, eh?
I don't know. I'm gonna need a lift.
Perfect, perfect.
Good old SDM, boys. Wow.
Get a good run.
Here comes Phil on the high lifter, boys. Oh, same spot.
Same spot. Yeah, that heavy front end. Look at him crawl, bud.
Oh, nice. Sorry about the breathing, boys. But that winded the shit out of me. There it is.
It's hard to get a run, eh?
Oh, that was close. That was close. Ooh, nice. Oh, hell of a job, Phil. Hell of a job.
It's hard to get a run after you stop. It's hard to get a run after you stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Soft spot, boys. Oh. You're still with us, boys. My brother wants a piece of it. I don't think it's gonna happen, brother. I don't know, brother. He's hitting her, boys. He's hitting her. Oh, he's got it right to the floor. Oh, he made it. Oh, he's off the trap. He wants more. He wants more. Oh! Fuck yeah! Holy shit! Yeah, but hey, boys, he had a run. Yeah. He had fresh mat there to get a run. We didn't. So go screw yourself. You fucking cheated.
I had to.
Yeah, I had to.
Fucking bike's got so much stank, she jumped right out of the hole, man.
Holy fuck, that was awesome.
She's jumping right out.
That was awesome. Let's just save that one, brother. That was fucking mint. Holy shit.
I popped right out her about 3 fucking times. She just wouldn't stay in her.
If you hadn't let off when you did and come down on the top of the mat, you probably would have just chewed into it more.
I didn't want to break it when the front end came down. There's a fair bit of trash in them tires, eh?
Too gnarly.
Right on, buddy. Polaris! You better delete that.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Yeah. That was pretty epic, boys. Now we gotta listen to it for the rest of the fucking day because Troy made it through that hole. Jesus. By the skin of your teeth.
I've had to listen to a lot of road.
That was a lot of fun, man. That was a lot of fun.
Shit, you know what we should have done, Phil? We should have slapped the GoPro on you too. I had another one at home.
Oh, that'd have been alright.
Like a Hero 3, 4K, full deal.
That's alright, as long as we got, as long as we're getting 2 different points of view, we're good.
Well, I know. But I would have liked to have seen the fucking wheelie shots. He was marshmallowing that all the way across that whole swamp, man.
Yeah.
I tried to do it a couple times. She pulled the front end, but I don't know. I just ain't as ballsy, I guess.
She had a brand new wasp at the house.
Oh yeah. Let's fire that up there and make sure she's good. She's good. We're back on, boys. We're back on. We're gonna do a little more exploring, but we're not gonna stay out here too fucking long because, as you can see, we got these things crusted right full of fire starter. Yeah. Leave that mound of SKEG behind that we just collected. And we'll follow our tour guide. The 570. Floating over it. Oh, this power steering is luxurious.
This holds, right?
Rip into that, boys. Yeah, next. You just kind of go where she takes you. Is what you do. Give her a shot, Tommy. Give her a shot, bud. Yeah, he did. Oh, he's in.
He down. He down. He's down. He didn't make her. I bounced it a couple times just because it was starting to sink. Once you break through the surface of this, she's pretty deep.
Is there a sticker down there?
No, you gotta go up.
Damn it! It's dropping in.
I think so. Our tracks, because ours will rip the surface. Underneath the surface, no go. She deep.
1, 2, 3, go.
I can feel the 32s in the lip drop right out of sight on a couple of them. I just popped out of the hole quick.
Hold on.
Yeah.
We gotta go back. Yep.
That looks a little juicier through the green there. Oh, so we're almost out? Is that a building in there or something?
No, it's just a...
Oh, it's rocks.
Rock right there.
Yeah, my goggles are all muddy. I think I might pop them off,
I can
actually.
smell belt. Let's just give him a quick yank. Oh. Wow, that really hurt the old forearm pushing on Tommy's bike, boys. You feel something pop. Let's clear that. Let's clear our throat. Let me clear my throat. Wow.
Pop
he's ripping.
Pop out, don't lose sight.
Oh yeah, get it, Phil. Get it, buddy. Yeah. That spot's getting bad.
Right on, buddy. You had to jump out a second or two, eh? She's so fuck. I was like, pop out of her.
Just a momentum going.
Yeah, I had to do that too, but you start ripping through there, and at least now we know that little rip is a good rip. But I hit a couple things through there when I bounced out.
Get her, bud. Oh, he's holding her.
Oh, fuck man, he's letting her go. Hold her.
Holy shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, he did. Wow.
Yeah.
And away he goes. Let off.
getting some new tires after today, I can guarantee it. Hey? Well, they're alright though. You get a few bucks for them, like for someone with more or less power on their bike. That's perfect for them, you know what I mean? Oh, he walked her out, bud.
Ah, good job. Yeah, just go out and take a new
Right
line,
on, he
Tommy.
went off just in time, I guess, eh?
Whoa!
Yeah, that's sucking you in quick now. He dropped in there just instantly. Wow, he's smart though. He let off the throttle. I know he's got that BayMarine sticker on the belly pan. I was hoping he was going to wheel her out this side. He might not even been stuck though. He just let right off. But he must have felt it go down that extra distance, you know? Because you chewed it. That last one, you chewed it. Hey, back up, just pop a wheelie. Woo! Oh, that looks juicy there too, eh?
I see you.
I don't see it there. Oh, is it back?
Holy shit! Holy shit, Tommy! You're carrying 100 pounds, bud!
You got her SKEG? Look up under mine. I couldn't even find under my bike right now.
I'm guessing that sticker's covered up.
Yeah, I think so, yeah, bud. Well, no, you got a belly pan. It's just,
so far back.
it's really far back, so you'd have to have
Oh, he
it.
put the sticker in the back.
Yeah, you'd have to have her straight up.
It's in about
BayMarine, I don't know if he's going to send it that high.
How big is it?
like this. But it's
Ah.
white and whatever with the dark lettering, but it's with your aluminum skid plate.
Yeah, this is wet there, and that's wet there. As soon as Tommy started in there, man. Whoo!
Yeah, Phil, you left me a little pocket.
Oh,
You
almost got
start.
sucked in.
You let right off right at the right time. Just boop.
Yeah. Yeah, trained professional, my brother. Trained professional.
Oh yeah.